Something crazy just happened in AI. Google announced a new quantum chip called Willow, and it's changing the game in two mind-blowing ways. Willow differs from your regular computers, phones, or even the most powerful supercomputers. These devices all use ones and zeros to process information, while Willow uses the strange and fascinating rules of quantum physics, which govern the behavior of atoms and subatomic particles. Here's where it gets really interesting. Normally, making computers bigger or more complex means they're more likely to make mistakes. For example, with longer chains, the chances of breaking increase. This is what made quantum computers so difficult to build in the past. But Willow breaks this rule. Instead of becoming messier as it grows, Willow actually gets better at fixing its own mistakes. Imagine a house that gets easier to clean the bigger it gets. This breakthrough shows that adding more qubits reduces errors rather than causing more, making Willow more reliable as it scales up. Why is this so important? Think of it like a car that gets better gas mileage the larger you make it. That's not how things are supposed to work. Usually, bigger cars use more gas. But with Willow, making it bigger actually makes it more efficient and stable. The exciting part is that Willow can solve complex problems so quickly that a task that would take a supercomputer 10 septillion years to solve takes Willow just 5 minutes. This highlights the massive growing gap between classical and quantum computing when it comes to specific tasks. Now some people worry that Willow could crack Bitcoin security, but that's not true. While Willow is incredibly powerful, it's specialized like a race car that can only drive on one specific track. Cracking Bitcoin security would require a quantum computer with thousands more qubits and far greater precision. Willow is great at solving complex problems, but breaking Bitcoin's cryptographic security requires a completely different set of capabilities. It's like trying to use a Ferrari to crack a safe, not the right tool for the job. One mind-bending concept I want to share is how quantum computers, like Willow, might actually be tapping into parallel universes to perform their calculations. While this isn't proven, some scientists have suggested that quantum computers could solve problems by trying all possible paths simultaneously across different versions of the universe. Imagine solving a maze. A regular computer would try one path at a time, while a quantum computer could explore every possible path at once, getting the right answer by drawing from all of those parallel explorations. Looking ahead, Google's quantum roadmap includes several major milestones. Willow has already achieved beyond the classical, proving that quantum computers can solve problems that regular computers simply can't. The next steps focus on improving quantum error correction, making qubits more reliable, and building long-lived qubits that don't decay so quickly. The goal is to develop stable logical gates that can perform complex quantum calculations consistently. Ultimately, combining all these elements will lead to the development of a quantum computer that can solve real-world problems, opening the door to incredible breakthroughs, from artificial superintelligence to solutions for issues we can't even imagine yet. The AI and quantum computing fields are evolving incredibly fast, and Willow is just one example of how quickly things are progressing. I can't wait to see what comes next as Google continues to push the boundaries of quantum technology. If you enjoyed this video, I'll see you in the next one.